Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace struts on a Ford Escape. First, prioritize safety by gathering all necessary tools, such as a floor jack, 2 jack stands, and a spring compressor. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on a level surface. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself. For added safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin any work. Now let's get that old strut out. Begin by loosening the lug nuts, then safely raise your Ford Escape and remove the wheel. Next, carefully disconnect any brake lines, ABS sensors, and the sway bar link that are attached to the strut assembly. After that, unbolt the 2 lower strut mounting bolts from the steering knuckle. Finally, remove the 3 upper strut mount nuts located in the engine bay to free the old strut. With the old strut removed, it's time to prepare the new one. If you're reusing your old spring, you'll need a spring compressor to safely compress the coil spring. Carefully remove the top nut and disassemble the old strut components. Then, transfer the compressed spring, dust boot and bump stop onto the new strut. Secure the new top mount and tighten the top nut to the manufacturer's specified torque, ensuring everything is snug and safe. Finally, let's get your new strut installed and finish up. Carefully guide the new strut assembly into place, aligning the upper mounting studs with their holes. Reattach the 2 lower strut bolts to the steering knuckle and tighten them securely. Don't forget to reconnect all brake lines, ABS sensors, and the sway bar link. Reinstall the wheel, lower your Ford Escape, and tighten the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. A wheel alignment is recommended afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.